want to know what happened.
Are you ready?
Nope.
I made a mistake. They took refuge in the court, but your father refused. He would never have left your mother. But when he made it back, she was already gone.
How would you like to have it back?
Nope.
What the fuck? Damn it! Holy shit!
You are the robot who assisted me in my escape from Nefarious. What is your name? My name? Yes, of course. Sigma 0426A. But you can call me John C.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alister Azimuth?
I walked in to pick up my fucking glasses. I couldn't stop calling people dicks. And then the manager called me a dumbass, like it's my dad and shit.
Run away! Run away!
Go touch his dick. Fuck him. He's an asshole. I don't give a shit about Kentucky. Fuck. Calm down. Calm down. Don't get a big dick.
Wow, that was not the reaction I was expecting. You know, General, it's not like I've been here just sitting around all day. I've traveled back in time, found out what happened to Orvis.
I don't give a shit. Shit. Shit.
They hate me.
Piss.
You see, according to fungoid lore, the Lombaxes are the guardians of the stake. He was the first outsider to theorize the stake even existed.
And this stake, you think Clank's in there?
Is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos, but yes, I suspect he is. Specifically, you see, according to fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of
A super ironic death scenario!
I don't give a shit. Shit. Shit.
Attention, BX-99.
This is bullshit.
Rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
My son is right. You can shove it up your ass.
We're gonna be out of the butt and into the fuck if we don't come up with that $36.
Ah, here they are. Fulcrum's star's cracked. We may not be able to get a signal. For my crimes, I was forbidden from joining the Lombaxes, and so I live in exile.
Fuck!
What is this?
It appears the Zoni protected us during the crash.
He must not reach the clock.
Thanks for the help, Steak. guys. What? I'll give him back.
Steak.
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 Steak?
Praise Orvis! I have visitors. Have you come to hear about the historic Battle of Gimlick Valley?
Actually, we're trying to stop an evil mastermind from...
Splendid! It all started years ago, when I was just a...
I don't give a shit! Shit! Shit!
No. Let me.
What are you gonna do?
Take care. Ratchet.
What are you doing?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand. Fortunately, this change in mass will cause our planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain to help you.
Actually, you could help me.
No.
No!